Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country location on WhatNot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to sell on WhatNot and for some reason you're visiting a different country and you want to go ahead and change your location. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to change your country location, what you're first going to do is log on to WhatNot. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, click on Account. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Preferences, and then underneath Preferences, you're going to see that there's a country of residence. Click on the drop-down menu for the country, and then these are all the countries that you could actually select with WhatNot. So go ahead and select your desired country, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your country location on WhatNot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.